acne marks, hyperpigmentation, dark neck, dandruff. What if I told you one product can help with all of this? And no, it's not magic, it's chemistry. This is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner, but only if you know how to use it the right way. What is glycolic acid? Short explanation. Your skin has a lot of dead skin sitting like depression on your soul. Glycolic acid comes, wipes those dead cells, and says, "Baby, wake up, glow time." Removes dead skin, fades pigmentation, smooths texture, brightens skin tone, prevents ingrown hair, clears strawberry legs. Who should use? If your skin is oily, normal, combination, pigmentation, acne marks, then welcome to the team. Who should avoid, if you have, very sensitive skin, active acne, open wounds. If you're currently crying over chicken pox like me last week, please skip. Your skin will cry. 7 ways to use glycolic acid. 1. Acne marks and dull skin. Glycolic acid exfoliates dead skin cells, which helps fade acne marks and improve skin texture over time. Use 1-2 times a week at night on clean skin. Not daily. Overuse can damage your skin barrier. 2. Dark underarms and body pigmentation. Dark areas often look darker because of dead skin buildup. Apply a thin layer to underarms, inner thighs, or neck at night. Avoid using right after shaving or waxing. 3. Dandruff and scalp buildup, for experienced users only. Can help remove product buildup and flakes. Apply to the scalp 5 to 7 minutes before shampoo, then wash off. Avoid if you have a sensitive or irritated scalp. 4. Strawberry legs and rough body skin. Helps reduce tiny bumps and dark dots caused by clogged pores after shaving. Use 2 to 3 times a week before applying body lotion. 5. Dark neck, elbows, and knees. These areas have thicker skin and often need gentle exfoliation. Glycolic acid helps brighten them gradually with consistent use. 6. Cracked heels and rough hands. One of the most underrated uses. Apply at night and wear socks or gloves. Results come with consistency, not overnight magic. 7. Back acne and body breakouts. Sweat and clogged pores can cause breakouts on the back and chest. Apply on clean skin after showering. No need to rinse off. How to use properly. Use at night only. Apply on dry skin. Wait 60 seconds. Then moisturizer. Beginner 1 to 2 times per week. Advanced 3 times per week. No retinol. Vitamin C on same day. Daytime sunscreen is a must. Otherwise, you'll become darker instead of brighter. Common mistakes. Using it every day can damage your skin barrier. Using it with scrubs or peeling products can irritate your skin. Applying it on active pimples may cause pain and dark marks. Using it right after shaving or waxing can make your skin very sensitive. Always remember, your skin should feel smooth, not burning. So yes, this one product can fix a lot of the problems we stress about every single day. But remember, products alone can't change everything. Consistency plus the right routine, real results. If you're tired of skincare hype and want something real, hit subscribe.